A very fish good morning, dear children, and I hope that you all are very good, very relaxed, and very happy. So let's start the day with fresh, uh, a positive thought. Always be happy and have a wonderful smile. Always have a wonderful smile on your face. Children, as you know that I wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all of you. May God bless you all. Now, children, as you know that we have started the chapter from snapshot, that is the chapter number 3, Ranga's marriage, and we are doing the explanation of the chapter. So, in today's lecture also, we will continue this chapter and we'll do the explanation of the chapter. So, let's start the chapter. So, children, we have left the paragraph. We have done up to the paragraph in which the author draws, sketches the character of Ranga. That Ranga was very well behaved and very well aware as to who could benefit him, and he was one of those who could analyze someone's worth rightfully, and he greeted the narrator respectfully. He bent low and touched his feet, thereby seeking his blessings. Then, after that, next paragraph is that afternoon when I was resting, Ranga came to my house with a couple of oranges in his hand, a generous, considerate fellow. It would be a fine thing to have him marry, settle down, and be of service to society, I thought. For a while he walked about this and that, then I came to the point. Rangappa, when do you plan to get married? I'm not going to get married now, he said. Why not? I need to find the right girl. I know an officer who got married only 6 months ago. He is about 30 and his wife is 25. I am told they will be able to talk lovingly to each other. Let's say I married a very young girl. She may take my words spoken in love as words spoken in anger. Recently, a troupe in Bangalore staged the play Shakuntala. There is no question of Dushyanta falling in love with Shakuntala if she were young, like the present day brides, is there? What would have happened to Kalidas' plays? If one gets married, it should be to a girl who is mature, otherwise, one should remain a bachelor. That's why I'm not marrying now. Now, in this paragraph, the author says that afternoon Ranga visited the author with a few oranges, and which the narrator thought was quite thoughtful of him. And thinking of how nice Ranga is, the author thought it would be a good deed to have him married to a girl just as nice as him. And they chatted for a while, and then the narrator asked Ranga about his views on getting married. Ranga expresses that he does not intend on marrying now because he intends on finding the right girl. Then he cites the example of an officer. He gave the example of an officer who got married at the age of 30 to a woman aged 25. Now, since these are both adults, they would have understand each other's actions and behavior. But 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 Ranga says that whereas suppose the narrator finds a girl who is very young, and she could misunderstand his words or action because she is not mature enough. So he even mentioned the Ranga even mentioned the love story of Shakuntala and Dushyantana from Mahabharata, and then he would have fallen in love with Shakuntala if she were too young. So in that case, according to the then Ranga clarifies that in that case Kalidas plays also would have not excited. That is why he intends on staying a bachelor till he finds the right girl. Now यहाँ पर author कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे ऑथर जो है वो रंगा के व्यूज़ जान रहे हैं अबाउट मैरिज कि रंगा के क्या मैरिज के लिए उसकी क्या ओपिनियन है। वो कहते हैं कि रंगा कहता है कि मुझे सही लड़की की खोज अभी करनी है, और उसने मैरिज के व्यूज़ के उसमें रेफरेंस में उसने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि रंगा एक अधिकारी को वो कहता है, ऑथर नरेटर से कहता है कि मैं एक अधिकारी को जानता हूँ जिसकी शादी है, जिसका मैरिज केवल 6 महीने पहले हुआ, और उसकी एज जो है 30 ईयर्स है, और उसकी पत्नी यानी उसकी वाइफ की 25 है। तो वो आपस में बहुत आराम से लव चैटिंग करते हैं, बातचीत कर सकते हैं, और और वो कहता, रंगा कहता है कि माना मैंने एक छोटी सी लड़की से विवाह कर लिया तो मैं उससे इस तरह की अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैं उसके साथ क्रिएट नहीं कर पाऊँगा, और फिर उसको पता नहीं चलेगा कि मैं उससे प्यार से बात कर रहा हूँ या उससे नाराज़ होकर बात कर रहा हूँ। तो उसने रंगा ने एक और एग्जाम्पल नरेटर को बताया कि अभी कुछ दिन पहले ना उसने एक बैंगलोर में शकुंतला नाटक ही हैज़ सीन ऑन द स्टेज। तो उसमें उसको लगा कि यदि अगर आज की जो मतलब जो वाइफ हैं, अगर शकुंतला की तरह कम आयु की होती तो शायद दुष्यंत का शकुंतला से लव करने का कोई चांस ही नहीं होता। तो कालिदास के इस नाटक का क्या होता। तो अगर अगर किसी से हमें शादी करनी है, ये रंगा व्यूज़ बताते हैं, रंगा नरेटर को कहते हैं कि यदि अगर किसी को विवाह करना है तो ऐसी लड़की से शादी करना चाहिए जो थोड़ी मैच्योर हो, वरना उसे अविवाहित ही रहना चाहिए। तो यही वजह है कि मैं अभी आई डोंट वांट टू मैरी। That is why he intends on staying a bachelor till he finds the right girl. Now in next paragraph, is there any other reason a man should marry a girl he admires? What we have now are arranged marriages. How can one admire a girl with milk stains on one side of her face and wetness on other, or so young that she does not even know how to bite her fingers? One's a neem fruit, the other is bitter gourd. Exactly, Ranga said, laughing. Now, in this paragraph, the author tells about Ranga's views, and Ranga is not ready to get married, and he earlier the author or the narrator says the Ranga's views about marriage, that he would that he was he intends on staying bachelor till he finds the right girl. And Ranga's views was against the traditional arranged marriages, and his views was that must first find the right girl, then get married, and then must be admired by him, should be mature, the girl should be mature, because and then the Ranga's views that the girl should be mature, and he can marry that girl, and he wants to marry that girl who is mature as same as like him. That is, and then she could able to understand his views, she could able to understand his affection, she could able to understand his feelings and emotion, whatever the Rangas would have emotions and feeling for his wife. So Ranga's views about marriage is that and when he would able to find the right girl, then he will marry that rightful girl. देन यहाँ पे कहता है कि ऑथर कहता है कि जो नरेटर रहता है वो कहता है कि यस, हम उस लड़की से विवाह करना चाहते। यहाँ पे ऑथर जो है वो पूछता है कि क्या और भी कोई वजह है या कारण है। तो ऑथर नरेटर कहते हैं कि हाँ, एक आदमी को, एक इंसान को उस लड़की से विवाह करना चाहिए, एक आदमी को जिसकी वह तारीफ़ करता हो। अब क्या होता है कि हम अरेंज मैरिजेस करते हैं, और एक आदमी कैसी लड़की की तारीफ़ कैसे कर सकता है जिसके चेहरे पे एक और मतलब दूध के छींटे हों और एक गीला हो, और वो इतनी छोटी हो कि वो उंगलियों को भी चबाना न जानती हो। इट मीन्स कि द गर्ल, हम कैसे, हाउ कैन अ पर्सन कैन मैरी दैट टाइप ऑफ गर्ल हु इज़ इमेच्योर। तो इसीलिए, और कहते फिर एक उन्होंने एक फ्रेज़ दिया कि करेला और ऊपर से नीम चढ़ा, यानी एक तो वो बहुत छोटी लड़की होगी और ऊपर से इमेच्योर होगी। तो रंगा ने हंसते हुए कहा कि हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक कहते हो। Ranga says that in the last, Ranga says exactly, you have said right, and Ranga said laughing. Then on hearing it means that when narrator came to know about the views of Rangas about marriage, then the narrator was disappointed. He got disappointed. Then what happened next? Now, next paragraph, I was distressed that boy who I thought would make a good husband, and decided to remain a bachelor. After chatting for a little longer, Ranga left. I made up my mind right then that I would get him married. Then Ramarao's niece, a pretty girl of 11, had come to stay with him. She was from a big town, and so she knew how to play the veena and the harmonium. She also had a sweet voice. Both her parents had died, and her uncle had brought her home. Ranga was just a boy for her and she the most suitable bride for him. Since I was a frequent visitor to Ramarao's place, the girl was quite free with me. I completely forgot to mention her name, Ratna. It was. The very next morning, I went to their house and told Ramarao's wife, I'll send some buttermilk for you. Ask Ratna to fetch it. Ratna came, it was a Friday, so she was wearing a grand sari. I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. I sent for Ratna while she was singing the song. Krishnamurti, in front of my eyes, Ranga, reached the door. He stopped at the threshold. He did not want the singing to stop but was curious to see the singer. Carefully, he peeped in. The light coming into the room was blocked. Ratna looked up and seeing a stranger there, apparently stopped. Now, when the author came to, in this paragraph, when author came to know about the views of Ranga about marriage, then he got very disappointed. Then what happened? Then here the narrator introduces us to a new character, and the first narrator decided to get Ranga married, and then he had a plan. Then in this paragraph, the author says that the narrator introduces us to a new character in the story named Ratna, and she's 11 years old and is Ramarao's niece. And she had lost both her parents to see her uncle. To her uncle brought her from the big town to his home with him. She had a great voice and could play veena and harmonium. So the narrator thought that Ranga and Ratna would make a great pair. Then Ratna was quite familiar with the narrator, and as he visited Rama's place frequently, the narrator thought of a plan to introduce Ratna to Ranga. He asked Rama to send Ratna to his place as he wanted to send some buttermilk for him. Then she came all dressed up. The narrator insisted upon her to sing a song while she sent someone to call Ranga. Just as she was singing, Ranga arrived at the door, and her melancholic voice touched his ears, and thus he did not want to interrupt the singing. Then what happened? So he stood at the door. But Ranga was very curious to see the singer, and very cautiously he tried to have a look which disturbed the lightning in the room. So, on seeing a stranger, Ratna immediately stopped her singing. ऑथर इस पैराग्राफ में कहता है कि ऑथर को बहुत निराशा होती है कि एक लड़का जिसको उसने सोचा था कि एक अच्छा हस्बैंड बनेगा, उसने मतलब बैचलर ही रहने का निश्चय किया। और ऑथर नरेटर कहते हैं कि कुछ और समय तक बातचीत करने के बाद रंगा जो है वहाँ से चला जाता है। तब ऑथर अपने मन में ये डिटर्मिनेशन लेते हैं, संकल्प लेते हैं कि मैं उसकी शादी कराऊंगा। उसके बाद उनके प्लान शुरू होता है और वो कहते हैं कि रामा राव की जो भांजी है, जो 11 ईयर्स की बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल है, उसके साथ वो रहने आई है और उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं, इसलिए वो अंकल के घर पे अपने वहाँ पर रहती है। तो एक बड़े कस्बे में वो रहती थी। अतः वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि फिर उसे वीणा और हारमोनियम बजाना भी आता है और उसकी वॉइस बहुत स्वीट है। उसके मम्मी पापा जो है या माता पिता दोनों ही मतलब उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है और उनके जो मामा है यानी अंकल है वो उसको घर लेकर आए थे। तो रंगा उसके लिए एक ऑथर ये सोचते हैं, नरेटर ये सोचता है कि रंगा जो है उसके लिए एक परफेक्ट बॉय है और वो उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी बहू साबित हो सकती है या ब्राइड साबित हो सकती है। और तो फिर इसके बाद वो ऑथर जो है वहाँ से वो प्लानिंग शुरू करते हैं कि रामाराव के घर में एक तरह से वो हमेशा रामाराव के घर में आते जाते रहते थे, तो उनको कोई बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी नहीं थी उनके घर में अपने प्लान को एक्टिव करने में। तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि ऑथर ने कहा कि मैं उसके नाम का पूरी तरीके से मैं उसका नाम जो है वो भूल गया हूँ। हाँ, शायद उसका नाम जो है ऑथर देन केम टू रिमेंबर दैट हर नेम वॉज रत्ना। फिर उसके बाद वो अगले दिन सुबह जब नरेटर उसके मकान पर गए और रामा राव की वाइफ से कहा कि मैं आपके लिए कुछ लाया हूँ, और फिर इसके बाद वहाँ पर रत्ना केम हेयर। फिर वो फ्राइडे का दिन था और वो एक बहुत अच्छी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी पहने हुए रत्ना वहाँ बैठी थी और उसके कमरे में उसने फिर ऑथर ने कहा कि मैंने उसको अपने कमरे में बैठने के लिए कहा और उससे एक गाना गाने के लिए ऑथर ने उसको रिक्वेस्ट की। तो जैसे जब वो नरेटर ने गाना गाने की रिक्वेस्ट की तो उस वक्त जो है नरेटर ने रंगा को बुलवाने के लिए किसी को भेजा और फिर उसके बाद जब रंगा को बुलवाने के लिए ऑथर ने बुलवाया, और जब वो रत्ना जब गाना गा रही थी तो कृष्णमूर्ति मेरी आंखों के सामने, यानी रंगा का नाम रंगा अप्पा कृष्णमूर्ति, वो दरवाजे पर अराइव्ड हुआ, वहाँ पर आया और वो दरवाजे के बाहर पे रुक गया। लेकिन रंगा नहीं जानता था कि गाना बंद हो, वो नहीं चाहता था कि गाना जो इंटरप्ट हो या उस गाना बंद हो, पर वो गाने वाली यानी सिंगर को देखने के लिए बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था, और बड़ी ही जो है वो सावधानी से, बड़ी ही अलर्ट होकर उसने अंदर झांका, और फिर कमरे में जो लाइट आ रही थी वह लाइट जो है वो रुक गई। तब रत्ना को लगा कि कोई जो है वो इंटरप्ट कर रहा है या कोई इसको देख रहा है, और रत्ना ने अपना जो सर उठाकर ऊपर देखा तो एक अजनबी को देखकर वो बिल्कुल ही अमेज्ड हो गई, मेस्मराइज्ड हो गई, और मेस्मराइज तो रंगा भी हो गया रत्ना को देखकर, और रत्ना भी उसे देखकर अचानक रुक गई। सो हियर द ऑथर, व्हाट author is planning, author determined to get Ranga married. That is why he has made the plan to Ranga married, so that Ranga could able, yes, that Ranga could, yeah, would ready for the marriage. So here the author, what author says that here, that he was here the narrator introduces a new character that is called Ratna, and she is what, she's 11 years old and Rama Rao's niece, and she lost both her parents. And then what happened, then the narrator thought that Ranga and Ratna would make a great pair. That is why he has made a plan for Ranga. So children, we will stop here, and in next lecture we will continue this chapter, and I hope that in next lecture we will finish the chapter. I hope so. So take care of yourself and your family, and please watch the video and please study at home. So in the last, I once again wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and God bless you all. Goodbye.